This is the EcoFlow DELTA Max, a portable power station with an expandable capacity for home backup or outdoor activities. In this video, we'll take a look at how to charge your EcoFlow DELTA Max. DELTA Max is compatible with 4 versatile ways to charge. You can choose between AC charging, solar charging, car charging, and finally, you can use the EcoFlow Smart Generator for charging during emergencies. Let's dive into each method in detail. With EcoFlow's extreme technology, you can charge DELTA Max from an AC wall outlet to full in less than 2 hours. You can check the charging progress on the LCD screen of your DELTA Max or via the EcoFlow app, which will also remind you when you're running low on charge. On the back of DELTA Max, you'll find the AC charge speed switch. This is an in-app customized switch that allows you to set options for charging speed. If you're going renewable with your DELTA Max, you can use EcoFlow solar panels to charge your unit. DELTA Max can handle solar input up to 800 watts with 2 400-watt panels. Here's how to connect multiple panels. First, connect a series of panels using the MC4 connectors. Then take the loose ends that are not yet connected and link them with the solar charging cable. Once done, you can plug the solar charging cable directly into your unit. Use EcoFlow solar panels in direct sunlight and make sure they are unobstructed. The carrying case allows you to position the solar panels for maximum solar efficiency. You can also use the outlet in your car to charge DELTA Max. To start charging, start up your car engine and take your car charging cable and plug it into the car charging port on your DELTA Max. Then take the other end of the cable and plug it directly into your car's cigarette lighter. In emergencies, you can use the EcoFlow Smart Generator for extra power. To set up your smart generator, turn the fuel cap vent lever in the engine switch to the on position and connect it to your DELTA Max via the extra battery port. Once set up, your smart generator will auto-detect if your unit is below 20% charge. If the battery level drops, the engine will start and charge your unit to full automatically. You can alter the battery level at which the smart generator engine turns on in the EcoFlow app. You can also start charging the DELTA Max right away by pressing and holding the electric start button, remotely from the EcoFlow app or manually with the starter grip. That covers all the ways to charge your DELTA Max. Need more tutorials? Head to our EcoFlow Support YouTube channel.